very hot, scorching, very hot, scorching, very cold, freezing, very cold, freezing, very good, superb, very good, superb, very rich, wealthy, very rich, wealthy, very fast, rapid, very fast, rapid, very short, brief, very short, brief, very boring, dull, very boring, dull, very angry, furious, very angry, furious, very accurate, exact, very accurate, exact. Yes, stop using very and start using this advanced English word. Doing this, you will upgrade your English to advanced English level. Plus, if you want to sound like a native English speaker, this will definitely help you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's make Learning English Easy channel, and don't forget to post your genuine feedback related to this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching.